current affairs today. In this session, we are going to discuss about the Union Budget 2020-21. Today, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the Union Budget in the Parliament. We are going to discuss the Union Budget in 6 parts, and this session will concentrate on part 1. Okay, let's begin the session. Before beginning the budget, the Finance Minister highlighted the milestone of Indian history in the year 2021. In 2021, India is to celebrate its 75th year of independence. Also, this year, Goa is celebrating its 60th year of accession to India. It has been 50 years since the victory of India in 1971 India-Pakistan War. In 2021, the 8th census of independent India is to be held. This year, India is to hold the BRICS presidency. Also, the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO is to launch Chandrayaan-3 mission in 2021. The Haridwar Mahakumbh is to be celebrated in 2021. Now, the Finance Minister presented the budget based on 6 pillars. They are health and well-being, physical and financial capital and infrastructure, inclusive development for aspirational India, reinvigorating human capital, innovation and research and development, and minimum government and maximum governance. In our budget analysis, we will be dividing the entire budget into 6 parts based on these pillars. So in this session, we are going to discuss about health and well-being. Okay, now under health and well-being, the first pillar, the Finance Minister introduced Pradhan Mantri Atmanirbhar Swasth Bharat Yojana. The Government of India has allocated rupees 64,180 crores to this particular scheme. The scheme is to be implemented for 6 years. The main objective of the scheme is to develop capacities of primary, secondary and tertiary healthcare systems to strengthen existing national institutions and create new institutions, and also to cater to detection and cure of new emerging diseases. The key features of the scheme are as follows. This scheme is to support 17,788 rural and 11,024 urban health and wellness centers. It will set up integrated public health labs in all districts of India. Also, in 3,382 block public health units that are spread in 11 states. It will establish critical care hospital blocks in 602 districts, and 12 central institutions are also to be set up under this scheme. It will strengthen the National Center for Disease Control. Its 5 regional branches and 20 metropolitan health surveillance units are to be set up. The scheme will expand the integrated health information portal to all states and union territories to connect all public health labs. It will operationalize 17 new public health units and strengthen 33 existing public health units at points of entry, that is 11 seaports, 32 airports and 7 land crossings. It will set up 15 health emergency operation centers and 2 mobile hospitals. Also, it will set up a National Institution for One Health, a regional research platform for World Health Organization Southeast Asia region. It will be of Biosafety Level 3 laboratory. And also, 4 regional national institutes for virology are to be set up. Okay, so basically the COVID-19 labs are of this safety level. Okay, now next. In nutrition, the finance minister introduced Mission Poshan 2.0. This scheme is to be launched merging the supplementary nutrition program and the Poshan Abhiyan. The scheme is to be launched in 112 aspirational districts. In water supply, the finance minister introduced Jal Jeevan Mission Urban. It will focus on universal supply of water in around 4,378 urban local bodies. Also, it will provide 2.86 crores of household tap connections. It will concentrate on liquid waste management in 500 Amrut cities. The scheme is to be implemented at a cost of rupees 2,87,000 crores. So the Union Budget 2021-22 has allocated 2,87,000 crores of rupees for Jal Jeevan Mission Urban. The scheme is to be implemented for 5 years. See, in every slide we are discussing, only the budget amount is important. Okay, you can give least priority to these numbers: 2.86 crores, 4,378, 112 aspirational districts. These are all least important. If you can, yes, please memorize. If not, just grasp the keywords like universal water supply, household tap connection, liquid waste management. Okay, but these figures are very, very important. Okay, do memorize these figures. That is the budget, how much amount has the budget allocated to Jal Jeevan Mission, Mission Poshan, so on. Okay, now in Swachh Bharat, the finance minister introduced Urban Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0. Around 1,41,678 crores of rupees has been allocated to the scheme. The scheme is to be implemented between 2021 and 2026. It will focus on complete fecal sludge management and wastewater treatment. Also, the scheme will focus on source segregation of garbage. It will also focus on reduction in single-use plastics. And it will focus on reduction in air pollution by effectively managing waste from construction and demolition activities, and also bioremediation of all legacy dump sites. Okay, now under clean air, finance minister has announced that the government of India will allocate 2,217 crores of rupees to fight air pollution. Okay. The finance minister during the budget session announced a new scrapping policy. It is a voluntary vehicle scrapping policy. The main aim of the policy is to phase out old and unfit vehicles. Under the policy, the vehicles would undergo fitness tests in automated fitness centers after 20 years in case of personal vehicles, and in case of commercial vehicles, it is after 15 years. Okay. The details of the policy are to be shared by the Ministry of Finance in future. Under vaccines, the finance minister focused on pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. Recently, India manufactured its very own pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. Okay, this PCV that was made in India is currently available only in 5 states. Now this is to be rolled out all over the country. So for this and for COVID-19, the finance minister has allocated 35,000 crores of rupees. For the further discussions of budget, please continue watching part 2, part 3 and subsequently till part 6. Okay, thank you.